solder mask developing machines testing video. Electric cabinet. Option 1, option 2, automatic page, monitor page, and alarm page. Okay. Page online monitoring. Checking the inner side. Frequency driver. Mode speech. And PLC, CPU 33, home road. The relay and contactor is alternator. Okay, let's check the main working. Because we have the power limit, so we will open the pump one by one. Yeah. So first is the developing, oscillation, replenish. Okay, my colleague will be working for the testing and open the pump one by one. Okay, loading. Okay, so let's track. Developing pressure could be around 3.4 pascal. Okay, then going to the replenish. Hot water washing. Then going to the high pressure. Water 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then going to the whole flower and whole air drying. Downloading. Checking the back side. .5 kilowatt. of the high pressure pump, and the auto dosing system for developing online tracking. Since now there's no AC, so you choose 0 data. Okay, that's all.